ये वीडियो ओरिजिनली इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में है। इसे हिंदी में देखने के लिए सेटिंग्स में जाकर हिंदी ऑडियो चूज करें। Namaskar. Welcome to Simplify Your Space. In today's video, I will be sharing some viral home products and organizers, and I will be testing them to give you my honest opinion and review. So if you have seen these products online and are thinking of buying them, this video will help make your decision a little easier. This review is based on my personal experience, but always choose products based on your own needs and preferences. And before buying anything, take a moment to think it through. Only buy something if it is genuinely useful for you. So let's get started. Let's start with the first viral product, this bedsheet holder set. It comes with 4 holders like these, along with 4 transparent strips that fit into the holders. This product is quite popular on Instagram, YouTube and online shopping platforms for keeping bedsheets in place. But in most videos I have seen it's used on fitted or elastic bedsheets, which honestly feels unnecessary. Fitted bedsheets are already designed to stay in place because they are tight. If this works well on normal bedsheets, then it's actually useful. So let's test it on a regular bedsheet. I have fixed one holder on each corner of the mattress and then spread the bedsheet on top and tucked it in. Now these transparent strips need to be inserted into the holders from the top. As you can see, while fixing them, the bedsheet keeps slipping a little and start gathering on the other side. So it's definitely not a very smooth process. You do need to put in some effort. Now that the holders are fixed, you can see bedsheet is not moving from its place. So yes, it works, but you don't get very smooth or clean side edges with this. Another important thing is that fixing the holders on the back corners can be a bit tricky because you can't properly see what you're doing there. Overall, even though this product is quite viral, I did not find it very useful. You can consider it if your bedsheet keeps coming out again and again. But a better option, in my opinion, is to invest in fitted elastic bedsheets. They don't move at all and your bedsheet always looks neat. And as you already know, I personally use fitted bedsheets. So for me, this product is not useful at all. Next product is this 3-tier stackable cupboard. It comes in parts, but assembling it is really easy. No screws or screwdriver needed. You can customize it as per your requirement. Whether you want 2, 3, 4 or even 5 tiers, you can build it accordingly. It comes with sliding out fluted doors which look quite nice. The plastic quality is also really good and you get a decent amount of storage space. If you have space constraint at home, or if you have items for which you don't want to invest in expensive cupboards, this can be a great storage solution. Especially if you live in a rented space, this makes a lot of sense. You can use it in your kitchen to store crockery or extra grocery items. It can hold quite a lot. You can also place it in your kids' room to organize books, toys, board games, etc. Another great use is inside your existing cupboard. If you have shelves where vertical space is getting wasted, you can place this unit inside and use the space more efficiently. For example, I have stored cushion covers, towels and blankets in this, and everything fits in very easily. Since it has multiple tiers, all the items are well segregated, making it easier to access them. Overall, I really like this product. It's quite versatile and functional. Talking about the price, yes, it's slightly on the higher side. A 3-tier unit costs around 2500, but considering the quality and functionality, I do feel it's worth it. Another storage organizer that's quite popular and I personally really liked is this 3-tier compact stackable drawer system. The best part about this is that all the drawers are individual units that stack on top of each other. so you can customize it however you want. You can use just one drawer or stack 3, 6 or 9 drawers depending on your needs. It's a great way to utilize vertical space. In the kitchen, it works really well for organizing small items that are otherwise hard to manage, like birthday candles, pizza seasoning sachets, snack clips, rubber bands, etc. You can also use it on your work desk to organize stationery. Since everything is divided into separate drawers, it stays well organized and is easy to access. It's also perfect for your dressing table. You can store makeup items and hair accessories in it. Or even on your bathroom countertop if you don't have enough storage there. Overall, it's a very versatile product. Another great thing is that you can simply take out any drawer and carry it wherever you need. The quality is good and it's reasonably priced. Definitely a useful buy. Next product is this plastic soap dispenser set, which is quite popular online. It comes in an attractive square design. The best part is that it's transparent, so you can easily see how much liquid is left and refill it on time. It looks good, is easy to maintain, and since it's made of plastic, there is no fear of it breaking. You can use it in your kitchen for both dishwashing liquid and hand wash to maintain a uniform look. Otherwise, it works just like any regular dispenser. And talking about the price, it's quite reasonably priced. Next product is this garbage bag dispenser. I had been seeing this online for quite some time, so I thought of finally trying it out to see how it actually works. It comes with a self-adhesive hook, so you can fix it anywhere without any drilling. On one side, there is a dispenser compartment where you place an open garbage bag roll. On the other side, you can store extra rolls. And as you can see, accessing the garbage bags is really easy. Just pull and the bag comes out smoothly. It definitely makes daily use more convenient. One thing to keep in mind is that thicker rolls like 30 bags per roll don't fit in the dispenser section. The internal design only supports smaller rolls around 15 to 20 bags. You can fix it anywhere near your dustbin. For example, I have placed it under my utility sink since my garbage bin is right there. So now it's much easier for me to access the bags. Overall, it's a nice, simple and functional product, especially if you use garbage bags daily. The only drawback is that it does not support thicker rolls, and you also can't use loose garbage bag packets. It works only with roll-based bags. Talking about the price, I personally felt it's a little on the expensive side. This is a push-in towel holder. It comes with screws in case you want to drill and fix it on the wall, and it also has self-adhesive tape at the back, so you can simply stick it without drilling. In this type of holder, you just push the towel inside and gets fixed in place. Usually what happens is that after using towels, some of us often just place them back casually. Because of that, they look untidy and sometimes they even slip and fall. The same happens with kitchen cloths. They often end up lying around after use. To solve this problem, you can fix these holders in your kitchen. When you hang your towel or kitchen cloth in this, it stays in place while using and does not slip. If you have kids at home, this is definitely very useful. You can also use it inside cabinets. For example, if you keep cleaning cloth under the sink and it just lies on the shelf, you can fix this holder on the cabinet door and keep it neatly organized. Overall, I found this product very useful and practical. It's also renter friendly. And price wise, it's quite reasonable too. Next is this compact wall-mounted toothbrush holder. It takes up very little space and comes with 5 slots to hold toothbrushes. At the back there is double-sided tape, so you can easily fix it on your bathroom wall without any drilling. It's a great product if you want to keep your toothbrushes protected from dust and germs. It's also very easy to access the brushes and put them back. Since they stay covered, it feels more hygienic. If your wash basin area does not have space to keep things, this becomes even more useful. And if the top of your holder is flat, you can even place your toothpaste on top. Overall, it's a simple, useful product and comes at a very reasonable price online. Next product is something I have been using for quite a few months now. This automatic sensor dustbin. To use it, you just need to insert two AA batteries and it's ready. It works on a sensor system. So when you bring your hand near the sensor on the lid, it automatically opens and after a few seconds, it closes on its own. In the kitchen, when your hands are dirty, it can be difficult to open the bin manually. So this works as a great touchless solution for this problem. I personally use it in my bathroom and it has been working really well. One drawback is that if the batteries become weak, it won't function. In that case, you will have to remove the lid and use it manually. But otherwise, I really like this dustbin. It's available in different brands, sizes and variants, so the pricing can vary accordingly. With the rainy season almost here, moisture levels at home tend to increase. Because of this, items kept in storage like blankets, shoes, handbags, etc. can develop a white layer or even mold. To control moisture in your cupboards, you can use moisture absorbers. These are available in both box form and hanging packets. These contain highly absorbent crystals that soak up moisture from the air. Gradually, the crystals dissolve and the collected water starts gathering at the bottom. If you check after a few months, you will see it change like this. Once all the crystals are used up, you can simply replace it. I have been using these for years and they work really well in controlling moisture. I place them in my clothes closet, near handbags, in shoe racks and even in the loft storage. So everything stays safe and protected. Definitely a very useful product, especially during monsoon. Next is this really amazing cleaning scraper. It looks like this and has a sharp blade attached at the top. It also comes with extra blades for future use and you can easily replace them. I found this product extremely useful. If you have had any interior work done at home, you might have noticed glue or paint marks left behind, especially near wooden cupboards, doors or frames. They look quite messy and are very hard to remove. I had the same issue at home. There was dried, stubborn glue stuck in many places and it was really difficult to clean. But with this scraper, everything came off very easily. You can also use it in the kitchen to scrape off grease from corners and edges. It works really well and I would highly recommend this product. Plus, it's available at a very affordable price. Whenever we repot or maintain our plants, we usually spread newspaper underneath so that the soil falls on it and does not mess up the floor or countertop. But even after being careful, things still get messy. Soil spills, water drips, and eventually the newspaper tears, making everything dirty again. For this, you can use a portable waterproof plant repotting mat. It's quite big in size and has buttons on the sides. Once you fix the buttons, it takes the shape of a tray or container. Now working inside it becomes much easier. Whether you're repotting plants or watering them, your floor or countertop stays clean. It's also very easy to clean and after use you can simply fold it and store it. It doesn't take much space. Price wise as well, it's quite reasonable. Since we are talking about plants, regularly misting them is also very important. Usually we use manual pump sprayer for this. But honestly, they require a lot of effort. You have to keep pumping again and again, and even then, the spray is not very consistent. After some time, your hands start hurting, and these sprays also tend to stop working after repeated use. I have personally had 3-4 of them go bad. To solve this, I got this automatic plant sprayer last year and it has been working really well. It's rechargeable and comes with a Type-C cable. Using it is super easy. Just fill it with water, close the lid, press the power button and it starts spraying continuously. You can stop it whenever you want. It also has a water indicator, so you always know the water level. And you can adjust the nozzle to control the spray pressure. No matter how many plants you have, your hands won't get tired at all. It's completely effortless. Once fully charged, it easily lasts for up to a month. I had shared this product earlier as well, and now after using it for a long time, I wanted to give you a proper review again. For me, this is definitely a very useful product and it's quite budget friendly too. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you liked any of the products, you will find links in the description box. I have also tagged a few of them directly in the video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share it, and subscribe to Simplify Your Space for more such videos. And I'll see you all in the next one. Till then, happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.